Waverley is actually the highest point of the eastern suburbs in Sydney and has this phenomenal connection down to the ocean, across to open parklands, and is 7 kilometres from the Sydney CBD. The story behind Waverley House started about 100 years ago as a typical Californian bungalow. We bought it in 2015, having done a couple of renovations together as a couple, and we were really ready to stretch our thinking.
The brief on the house was a design philosophy of purity of materials, sustainability, and then a stage for the future. It is 5 bedroom, 5 bathroom, 4 living zone with built-in lounge, double car garage, and lush private backyard.
The use of ECOPact lower carbon concrete is so important in this project. With the physicality of a knockdown rebuild, we're really aware of our responsibility to create something sustainable. And because the house is all one material, we really only had one shot. Conversations with our builder led us to Holcim and the ECOPact product, and that is how we've reduced our carbon footprint for the build.
ECOPact has allowed to reduce our carbon footprint by up to 70%. It is exciting. I've never built a concrete house before, but using Holcim, ECOPact, which I have used before, there's no issues with the buildability. The concreters can just pretend that it's like normal concrete.
The most rewarding aspect of this home is taking the journey from concept and building something that is truly beautiful.
It's that feeling, it's a really creative home. I love that feeling of flexibility and discovery of every nook and cranny, all the spaces and how they'll come to life over many years to come.